Namaskar. Welcome you all to Makhanlal Chaturvedi, National University of Journalism and Communication, Bhopal, a NAC accredited specialized media university. Myself, Professor P.Sasikala, Head New Media Technology and Registrar of the University. In New Media Technology Department, we offer undergraduate and postgraduate programs like BSc Multimedia, a 4-year honors research program, a 3-year BSc Graphics Animation, a 4-year BTech printing and packaging, and we do also offer lateral entry to 2nd year of BTech printing packaging for diploma holders in printing or packaging. And the postgraduate programs included a 2-year MSc New Media program and a 1-year MSc Multimedia honors program. For the students, we do facilitate, the university facilitates hands-on experience, industry experience in our updated state-of-the-art laboratories. Like in printing and packaging lab, students do work on pilot projects, they do create working models, and in the multimedia graphics animation and in our new media laboratories, students do work on the basic content production, digital content production on text, on image, on graphics, on animation, and they do also work on creating digital content by using generative AI models. We do have experienced faculties in the Department of New Media Technology who are trained and certified trainers in artificial intelligence and fact checking. We do have industry experienced tutors and producers in the department, and if you see, we do also offer co-curricular and extracurricular activities. We facilitate these activities in the university. Also, we do the university also offers scholarship facilities for the students. They can avail meritorious scholarship, and other scholarships in other categories are available for the students. And for residential students, the university provides a separate boys and girls hostel facility, and for non-residential students, the university offers bus facilities which are free of cost. So, I invite all interested new media technology students who are interested in working in the digital content, in technology. See, in the Department of New Media Technology, creativity meets communication, creativity meets innovation. So, I invite you all to join this department. If you are interested in applying, the last date for online application is 16 June 2026. For more details, you can visit our website mcu.ac.in.